The creature with the most powerful wings on earth cannot fly. Not a single inch. Not for the first few years of its life. While every other bird takes to the sky on shorter wings, commanding the air, this one sits alone. In the dirt. Everyone thinks it is timid. Everyone thinks it is weak. But nature knows the secret. A wingspan, wider than a grown man, cannot be lifted by a gentle breeze. It doesn't need a breeze. It needs a calamity. The ocean knew its name. The waves knew its strength. The storms recognized its power. But the sky took a long time to recognize it. Year after year, it sits on the ground, watching, waiting. Other birds take off quickly, living out their small, fast-paced dreams, while it stands completely isolated. Maybe today you are sitting on that very same ground. You've tried for years, but your wings just won't open. Everyone around you has moved ahead, landing high-paying jobs, buying houses, reaching the peak of their success. Small wings, fast flights, and you stand there alone asking yourself, will my time ever come? Remember this. Ordinary winds are for sparrows, crows, and pigeons. An albatross does not open its wings for a clear sky. It waits. It waits for that terrifying, chaotic moment over the Pacific Ocean, when the sky turns black, when the air grows heavy, and every other bird on earth runs for cover, trembling, in fear. Right then, in the absolute heart of that destruction, it stands up, because it knows the storm is its fuel. The pain you've endured, the brutal rejections you've faced, the nights you cried yourself to sleep, they didn't come to break you. They worked like deep roots beneath the soil, invisible to the world, but quietly building a massive, unstoppable force within you. Once an albatross takes flight, it never stops. It flies for years, crossing ocean after ocean. It sleeps while flying. It rests while floating on the wind, covering a total distance greater than the circumference of the entire planet. Because it learned late, but it learned deeply. If you are exhausted right now, if you feel like it's too late, take a breath, a deep breath. The albatross delivers its greatest flight in the belly of the fiercest storm. Not when it's safe, not when it's easy, but at the exact moment when the world looks the most terrifying. Your wings haven't opened yet because your storm hasn't arrived. Prepare yourself. Stay calm. And wait. Because the wings that have measured the storm are the ones that ultimately own the sky. Spread your wings. The storm is yours.